Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by making sure your Apple ID is ready and your iPhone software is current. This prevents errors during purchases. Once done, connect to a stable Wi-Fi network or use cellular data, then open Settings and sign in with your Apple ID. Make sure your payment method in Wallet or Apple ID is valid and up to date, because the iTunes Store checks that before completing transactions. Doing these steps first saves time and avoids payment or verification interruptions. Next, open the iTunes Store app. On newer iOS, you may find media in the music or TV apps, and go straight to search to find what you want. You should preview songs, check file sizes, or view sample episodes to confirm selection. Then go to Settings, right arrow Face ID and Passcode, or Touch ID and Passcode to enable quick purchases, or set Require Password rules to control when a password is needed. These steps make buying faster while keeping control over purchases. To finish, tap the Price or Get button and confirm the purchase with Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password. The download begins automatically and appears in your library or purchases. Make sure to manage recurring charges by going to Settings, right arrow Subscriptions to cancel or change plans. If a purchase fails, sign out of your Apple ID and sign back in, verify the payment method, restart the iPhone, and then try again. This simple troubleshooting resolves most billing or authentication.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.